Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table of content in your Google Docs document. And it's pretty easy. You don't have to do it manually, and it's really just one click away. So let me show you how you can do it. But first, there is one important note. You have to make sure that your document is well structured, meaning that you have the title or the heading of the document laid out. So in this example, the document is pretty much in a good condition. They have the structure here, they have the outline. And in case you don't know how to create one, you basically need to select the text or the title, and then you can select the heading type for that item. So heading 1 is larger than heading 2, heading 2 is larger than heading 3, etc. So you have to make sure that your document is well structured before you can implement this feature, and this will help you a lot. Anyway, assuming that you have done with the organizing your document, now it's time to insert the table of content into the document. I'm going to insert that right at the beginning before the very first title. So I'm going to create some space in here. I'm going to put the cursor right here. And after that, I'm going to visit the insert menu and then click table of contents. And here you can select the style of that table of content. There are 3 options. I'm going to select this one. Right, now you just successfully created a table of content in your document. And of course, this is just a text, and you can always change the font, the size, the color of it, and there are many ways you can make this a lot more stand out and attractive. So yeah, that's basically how you can create a table of content in your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.